Okay, so Bob, congratulations on the new BYD Seagull.
Mike, salamat. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining us in this very important day for BYD Cars Philippines.
And it looks like, it's so cute. Like Kako said, it's something that's really for the new generation and something that is for urban areas.
Actually, yes, Mike. Actually, not only for that, no? You yourself, when you drive this in a track, it's like a go-kart. It's so peppy. The handling is great.
Yeah.
And yes, just like what Kako mentioned earlier, it's a perfect vehicle for the city use as well as nearby provinces. If you're gonna travel south, you're gonna travel north, both uphill, downhill, and of course in the highways. It's an awesome vehicle, Mike.
Wow. So I didn't know that it was it handles well. And I thought it was just like one of those subcompacts that will just get you from point A to point B.
No. That is the main reason why we encourage everyone to experience a BYD, experience our cars, understand our vehicles, and that's when you make a decision if you're gonna buy the next vehicle. Okay? Because once you drive a BYD, you will understand our brand.
Yeah. And I hear that it even extends, the range to about how many kilometers?
You can do up to 300 kilometers with this small vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, this compact hatchback, up to 300 kilometers.
Wow.
This is more than what you need on your weekly commute. From your house to your office, or doing your errands, or even going out of town. As mentioned earlier, leaving Makati, going to Tagaytay, in less than 20% of the battery. So it's awesome. This is a game changer.
And also the best part, you were able to bring down the price to something that's very affordable.
The price, the BYD Seagull introductory price is only at 898,000 pesos only. It's a great package and a great price point.
Okay. And it's not only the price, but the warranties, you've extended it from your regular BYDs down to the small Seagull.
8 years for the battery, 8 years for the motor, 6 years for the vehicle.
Oh, that is something else. That is really confidence in the product.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us, how can they test drive or buy one?
Actually, the best thing, follow us on Facebook, BYD Cars Philippines. Send us a message. We'll link you to a nearest dealership that is nearest your location.
Okay, thank you, Bob, and congratulations again.
Mike, maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us.